Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the weekly review of financial markets on Insta TV. The main US stock indices, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite, rose at the end of the Friday session, closing the week with an increase. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average hardly changed on June 23rd and over the week as a whole. The Nasdaq climbed to 6,265.25. Throughout the week, the Nasdaq showed the strongest growth of 1.8%. The Dow Jones edged down slightly to 21,394.76 on Friday. Its weekly change was zero. The Standard & Poor's 500 advanced to 2,438.30. During the week, the S&P 500 added 0.2%. The US stock market was supported by higher oil and tech shares. Meanwhile, the shares in the American banks were decreasing despite favorable stress test results of the Federal Reserve. The FOMC's officials who delivered their speeches on Friday voiced different stances towards prospects of the US monetary policy. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said that the interest rate increases should be stopped to evaluate economic growth, while Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester stated that the funds rate should be hiked further in order to sustain inflation and avoid economic recession. As for corporate news, the capitalization of Synchronoss Technologies, a cloud solution provider, surged by 33% to $17.3 a share after private equity firm Sirius Capital Group offered to buy the company for $18 a share. Besides, the shares in Canadian smartphone producer and corporate software developer BlackBerry dropped by 12.3% on Friday. The company reported on its earnings for the recent quarter that came out short of expectations. Shares in biotechnology company Portola Pharmaceuticals soared by 47% in price as the US Food and Drug Administration accepted the company's granting priority review for its anticoagulant. And this concludes the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thanks for watching and see you back soon. Bye.